Hello everyone, it is Thoughtful Tuesday. Welcome back. I hope you had a wonderful Mindful Monday. So today this week we're going to just get started with right into our lessons. Last week 1, was a lot more of explaining to do since the virtual curriculum is new to us. So today we're just going to go ahead and get started and dive right into our lessons. So this week we are working on being compassionate. And the purpose of the activity that we're going to do today is called the compassion jar. So I have a jar here. And again, all of these things, I'm just going around my home shopping because we are #staying home to stay safe because we want to make sure we are following the rules of the quarantine. So all of these things I'm getting from my home. So today's activity is going to be a compassion jar, and the purpose of this activity is to help students and families understand the meaning of being compassionate and to practice compassion and perform acts of compassion. And this week I'm going to share the skills. These skills will help with social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision making. All right, so you will just, if you want to do this with me, or you could do it later. You just need a jar, and if you don't have a jar, you can get a little cup that you can sit on a table wherever you want to sit it. And then I have some pennies. If you have some marbles or something you could put in the jar or the cup, that's just fine. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to, for our theme for Thoughtful Tuesday, is we will continue to focus on thoughtfulness and how it helps us to be more compassionate to ourselves and to others, especially during this difficult time. All right, so compassion is when you see someone in need and you care about their feelings and you do something to show that they care. Once again, compassion is when you see someone in need of something, you care about their feelings, and you want to help them to show that you care. So what you're going to do this week, even in the virtual classroom, if someone is getting stuck, you want to help them, they didn't know how to get on, you might want to connect with them and show them how to log on to the computer. If you're at home, you definitely want to show compassion to your family, helping each other. And this week I challenge you, the rest of the week, or you can do it every week, is to have your compassion jar. So you can't see her, but Nyana is here to my left, your right. And so I might say some things to her or show compassion. So for example, right before I started this video, she said, "Mom, what did you ask Mom to do?" She forgot. She asked me to go in the kitchen.
Oh, I asked her to go get my book bag, please.
To go get her book bag, and please. So she asked me for a favor, and of course, I want to show that compassion. And instead of saying, you can get up and do it yourself, I would say, you know what? You did your dishes, you did your chores. I see that you need your bag, and it will greatly cheer you up. So I'm going to go get your book bag, and then I'm going to give a penny for Miss Kalicia for helping her with her bag. Okay?
Can I get a penny?
Nyana wants a penny. How have you shown compassion this week? Or we just started on Monday, so how have you shown compassion?
I try to make you feel better when you sad or overwhelmed because we all have to work from home and figuring it out.
All right, so in case you didn't hear Nyana, she said that she helps Mommy out when sometimes I feel overwhelmed or if I get sad. Learning to work from home has been a challenge. It hasn't just been easy breezy because I have been working in a building for over 21 years. So to go from a building to computers and chatting and tubing and gramming and dojoing can be a bit much. So she has shown compassion. I'm going to give one for her and one for Nala because they have been super helpful with Mommy and seeing the things that I need. All right, so in your jars, again, this was this week's lesson, and we're going to just show compassion. You could make it a family challenge. You could do a cup for each person. Whatever it is that you want to do to make this your own, you just want to make sure that this week you are being a detective and looking for compassion. So you want to be mindful. You want to be looking for it. Say, hey, that person, I really care about them, and I want to show that I care and help them in what they need. So remember, we're going to celebrate the compassion and show the compassion that we see during this time. And you could do that with your compassion jar for the week or your compassion cup, whatever you want. If you want to decorate it, make it fun for your family, it's all up to you. So again, remember, you want to show compassion virtually when you are in your classrooms, and you definitely want to make sure that you are showing compassion to help someone. And remember, you're showing someone in need that you care about their feelings, and you want to do something to show that you care. But this week you are going to pay even more attention of all the kindness and all the compassion. All right, so for all of the things that you have done around the house, you get a penny in the compassion jar. And for all of the parents who are helping their children, you get something in the compassion jar. And all of you in the tubing and the gramming and the dojoing world, and all of the teachers and everybody doing this, getting showing compassion and being there for each other, guess what? You get a penny, and you get a penny, and you get a penny, and penny for all the compassion. Miss Kalisha has started the compassion jar. All right, so here's compassion to you. Have a great afternoon and a wonderful week. And remember, today is Thoughtful Tuesday. Remember, every moment is a what? New moment to start over. Boop. How come the video wasn't start? Oh man.
And the lady's like, it does not say.
I sent it.
Good job, Mom.
Thank you. That's not gonna work.